Let's start the video. Please wait a few seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pixel app. Open a refer to the apps to the development from the Pixel phones or apps that work with the art and how to tutorial to the resources to the checkout from the art using app like a Pixclip and a basic of PSArt and online editing. Check out the tutorials to the images editing for the using a Pixel app from the art. We are more designing in a Photoshop designing like a beautiful app and appreciate supported is a page like then is a more about the beautiful creating your design in your screen you can use a more than and some tutorials on clicking a basic art including setting up to the